Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. Okay, so today we're gonna do something a little different. Wow, why do I feel like I always say that? Look, we're gonna make another notebook. We're not gonna do anything different. But I had so much fun doing the Ghostbuster sort of hand-painted covers that I figured that I would do some more. Some Star Wars inspired ones, some Back to the Future inspired ones. And as you see here, as you see below, you probably got the gist of it already. I'm gonna do the license plate for the Back to the Future Part 2, Future Boogaloo, Floaty Car, DeLorean, Flying DeLorean, License Plate, Notebook. That's gonna be the title of this video. But okay, so get comfortable, because this is actually gonna be a 3-part situation. Because I'm making these notebooks, how many notebooks am I making? I'm making 4 packs. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12. I'm doing 12 videos. Not 12 videos. I'm doing 12 notebooks inspired by Star Wars and Back to the Future, and some of it involves some hand painting stuff. So I wanted to show the hand painting aspect. I'm kind of getting into it because of the Ghostbuster thing. I was like, this opens up a whole new world for me. But I'm also doing this because, like, look, on the internet, I don't know if you've seen this going around, but everyone's talking about their love language. Oh, my love language is chicken soup. My love language is taking out the trash, in the morning. Well, I don't know what that means. Well, I guess my love language is notebooks, because I'm sending these packs off to 2 channels, both ran by 2 people, 2 couples. So one is Ordinary Adventures, and the other is Always Believe. If you have found me through some sort of Star Wars means, then maybe you have encountered them as well, because both of those channels are very Star Wars heavy, but then also Disney theme park heavy, so very Galaxy's Edge heavy. But anyway, they are absolutely, like, they're a treat on YouTube. They're a wholesome place of silliness and fun, and we need that in these unprecedented times. Anyway, let me go down here and explain something that I'm doing. So I'm just gonna use this silver paint marker, and I'm going to mask off those little silver rectangles, And while I'm not going to do the entirety of the license plate, like I'm not going to have it say California and have it have like the year and the numbers and things, I felt like that was a little too on the nose, and I feel like a simplified design like this would actually be cooler, and you'll see at the end, would actually be cooler because it just sort of looks like an abstract design, but people in the know will know where it's from. So it's a little less on the nose, so a little more usable, I find. It doesn't look like it's something that's like too heavily branded, and it looks a little bit like kind of, I don't know, feels a little cheesy using it. This is a little more understated and can be used on a daily, but still have a bit of that, reference to nerdisms. But yeah, going back, So yeah, here you see me using this low tack. I'm using a low tack blue tape so that it doesn't pull up paper when I'm pulling up the tape, so it's kind of gentle on it. And as you see, I'm just sort of masking it off and doing the bars. It's a really easy sort of stencil job, and you'll see me going from one end to the other, doing one from the left and one from the right, and then one from the left and one from the right, and that way I'm not taping down on something that's like freshly painted. I can always sort of give things time to dry before I sort of am taping on. Anyway, I'm sort of rambling. Back to those channels. Look, I've been on YouTube for a long time, for a long, long time. And I will say that what stands the test of time and what keeps me coming back to a channel for me is authenticity. And look, that word is kind of corny. It's kind of a corny word, authenticity. Because what does that mean? What does authenticity mean? I don't know what it means in that context, but I know what it feels like. And look, while I can't knock anybody's hustle, and people will do what they want with their channels, you know, I find it kind of cringy when people try to like present a show on YouTube when it's like, look, you're just kind of walking around with a camera, like settle down. Like what we're looking for on the internet is the experience of someone experiencing something, you know. You're not looking for if I want to watch TV, I'm going to watch TV. I don't know. Look, I don't know where I'm going with that, but like, I'm not going to knock anybody's hustle, but when something's a bit too polished and presentery, it's kind of cringy for me. And what I love is authentic experiences and reactions. And these two channels, Ordinary Adventures and Always Believe, I really do feel like we're watching someone's genuine sort of, you know, reactions to things, and there's so much joy in them that like it's a really sort of wholesome place on the internet, both of those channels. That being said, I wanted to do something nice for them, so I'm gonna do some more hand painting stuff. You see, I'm almost done with this one here. I think this is the last one. I'm gonna do some Star Wars hand painted stuff. This one, some Back to the Future hand painted stuff. Well, this one, which is the Back to the Future hand painted one, and it's because out of both of the couples, there's one in each of the households that like Back to the Future. So I figured I'd do something like this, kind of simple and easy, but kind of a cool reference. It's something that, you know, would look good in a notebook form, you know, because it's a weird rectangle shape. That's not a weird shape, that's a rectangle. It's a shape. And then do some other ones. So this is gonna be like a 3, I don't know if I said that already, but this will be a 3 video thing where I'm just hand painting 3 different cover types, and you'll see there's a bit of stenciling involved, layering, and even some weathering on a notebook, I know, which is crazy. So get comfortable because there's 2 more of these coming. These 2 Back to the Future ones, one will be included in Peter's pack from Ordinary Adventures, and then the other will be included in Ashley's pack from Always Believe. They're both big Back to the Future fans, so I figured I would toss these 2 in, mixed in together with some of the Star Wars ones that you'll be seeing. And here we are with our final reveal of the masking. And you'll see how that works. A little sort of, you'll notice that I have 2 different orange cardstocks, 2 different orange covers, and I wanted to do one of each for 2 reasons. So that there's 2 different ones out there in the world, but then also it's 2 different sort of cover materials, and I wasn't quite sure which one to go with, so I made one of each. And while one, the color is sort of spot on, the other one, the sort of rigidity of the cover material is a little bit better. So I tend to like the light orange one. In real life, kind of looks really, really cool. I'm not saying that the dark orange one doesn't. It does look dope, and it's like spot on to the movie, so it's dope. But I wanted to make 2 different ones so that there's 2 one-ofs out in the world. Even though I can replicate this, but you know, at least for now, these will be the only 2 that exist. See, we're really gingerly here, taking off the masking, and it'll be great. And look, I don't think the gang over at Ordinary Adventures or Always Believe will ever get around to watching this video. But if you are, thanks so much for what you do. Here's a little gift from me to you. I don't know why this is a poem now, but I think I should stop. Don't have a cow. I needed something to rhyme. Look. So here's the finished one. Look, it looks kind of like almost exactly like the one. And here's both of them, the darker orange and the lighter orange. I kind of like the lighter orange. Like it looks a little more sci-fi, but obviously they're both dope. But these are the two different versions. One of them going to Peter, one of them going to Ashley. And I will see you in the next 2 videos. But thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing.